Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an absolute value question. It may happens the absolute value of 3x minus the absolute value of x, the whole absolute value, which is equals to 16. So if there is an absolute value inside the value, there are two cases. One is you have to consider this one, this absolute value of x, in two ways. One is absolute value of x, which is equals to x when x greater than or equal to 0. And the other condition is absolute value of x, which is equals to minus x when x less than 0, So let's solve this using this condition. So the absolute value of 3x minus, let's take the first condition, which is the absolute value of x is equals to x, so x, which is equals to 16, so that the absolute value 3x minus x is 2x, which is equals to 16. So 2x, which is equals to 16, so divide both sides by 2x, which is equals to 8. X is equals to 8, or this one is or 2x, which is equals to minus 16, so x, which is equals to minus 8. So in the first condition, x is positive when x greater than or equal to 0. So this is less than or equal to 0. So this is not a solution for this condition. The solution is only x is equals to 8. So from the second condition, let's solve this absolute value. So from the second solution condition, 3x minus absolute value of x, the whole absolute, which equals to 16, when x is negative. So the absolute value of 3x minus x when x less than 0, which is equals to 16. So 3x minus is plus, so 3x plus x, 4x, which equals to 16. So 4x, which is equals to plus or minus 16, which means 4x, which is equals to minus 16, or 4x, which is equals to positive 16. So divide both sides by 4. So x, which is equals to minus 4 here, or x, which is equals to positive 4. So in this case, this value is negative when the x is less than 0. So this is x, this x is greater than 0. So we only take this one, this value. So we have the solution set, a solution set of this. Our question is the value of x is minus 4, and we have here 8 and 8. So this is our solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.